Hello everyone, and welcome to the final video of this HTML course for total beginners. I hope you've enjoyed learning about HTML as much as I've enjoyed teaching it to you. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to talk about what to do next. By now, we've covered the most commonly used HTML tags, such as basic tags for page structure, links, images, headers, tables, lists, forms, and different types of inputs. We've also talked about semantics and accessibility. So what's next? My advice to you is to take what you've learned and put it into practice. Build your own first web page. But you might be thinking, where do I start? Well, I've got you covered. Bootstrap is a great framework for beginners, but not also to beginners, but to everyone to start with. Let me show you. The web page of the framework is getbootstrap.com. Bootstrap provides ready-to-use code that you can modify to your needs. I suggest you to go to examples page and use one of these examples to create your own page. There are some code snippets, really different ones, and you can start work on one of these and change the elements, change the CSS styles. And the main good thing about the Bootstrap is that you can really start fast, and this code is like good quality code. It is semantic, it is accessible, and CSS are really great in this framework. So how you can do that? Just download the examples. I already downloaded. This is an archive, so extract it and let's see how it works. All right, let's make it smaller. Alright, I will open just the whole folder of the examples I've already extracted. And here you have the whole bunch of folders. Every folder is this code snippet. Every of these code snippets is in the folder. So let's say you want to start with for example, let's say, no, I don't know, let's check in the code. For example, here we have this starter template, and we can open this HTML page. Don't be overwhelmed with all of this code. This is like boilerplate code, and you can work on what this code is doing, like on your own pace. The thing is that we can just open it and run it with our live server. Alright, and here is our starter template. And now you can just make your changes. So let's change this heading, for example. And you just searching for it. Here it is. But if the web page is really big, you can click Ctrl F and you will have this search box, and you can just type the text of the heading, get started. And as you see, we can find all the things we need really fast. And let's edit this heading tag. My first own website. And let's save it. And as you see, it is changed. So you can combine all those code snippets from the Bootstrap. They are really quality and well made, and they are also responsive. So when we are using our website on a mobile, the layout is responsive to any screen resolution or screen size. And you got it right from the box while using Bootstrap, so really great thing. Alright, and while working on your own websites, you should also use some web pages as reference. I've already mentioned it when I was talking about resources, but I can tell you one more time because this is really important. One of them is W3 Schools. You have the whole bunch of tutorials on web technologies, from HTML and CSS to all other stuff. And you have also the references of like all HTML tags, all CSS rules, and so on. And the second great page is MDN, Mozilla Developer Network. And here we also have the tutorials on HTML references. So you should use these two pages because this information is like all you need to know about HTML. Alright, I hope this course has inspired you to continue learning and exploring the world of front-end development. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work with HTML, the more you learn and the better you'll become. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next courses. Thank you.